So here is Bro Plus, kind of Bro app lock screen body, and here's how it looks like when you upgrade it. You can just talk with it, like with ChatGPT. You can see some of the stories, you can see community. But basically the main idea is kind of that's like Clippy, but kind of like some small lock screen body in here, which you can see, which can help you out with browsing, which can help out with shopping. But it's not, I don't know, it's not working exactly like that. It's not appearing as this lock screen like kind of floating thingy. Maybe it really requires like the latest iOS for work. Bug. And then still buggy with profile. There is no so I don't know actually whether this is, I know, and you need to pay for it only. There is no free trial, and it's actually not really working. Maybe it actually really just collects your data in a interesting way. So that's just what you have, and yeah, so that's what it is.